No cure for the IG disease. No cure anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this light glam everyday look. You know, not too much but not too little. So if y'all want to look like me, stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like right now. Like, you should hit the thumbs up. I'll wait. Alright, and y'all also need to hit the subscribe button down below. Y'all should do that. We almost at 100 right now. That may seem little to y'all, but it's everything to me, so I can't wait until we get there. And when we do, as I've been saying, there's going to be a giveaway. And yeah, stay tuned for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get it. Alright, y'all, so when I'm doing like a everyday to day makeup, I normally don't wear eyeshadow, or if I do, I wear a shade very close to my skin. So I already took into my eyebrows. If you don't know, I use the NYX micro brow pencil. I think it's in the color Ebony. Not sure. Actually, I'll check. It's in the color Espresso. And then I took my Shape Tape, I concealed the brows, concealed my eyes, set my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with the Bronze Palette by Kylie. And I'm just taking it on like a, I don't know if you guys ever bought an Anastasia palette, you know how like these little double-edged brushes come. And I'm just taking this color right here. And this is pretty much the only color I'm putting on my eye. Just so that way it has a little bit of color and a little bit of life. Next, I'm gonna take some like carrot oil that I have. It just looks like this. Now I'm gonna take and put like a little bit like that on my hand. And just put like that on my face. Now y'all, the only reason why I did put this on, I don't always put it on. I do it when I want my makeup to have a glow, and I did just get out of the shower, so my face was feeling a little bit dry. So yeah, I do that to make sure it's not like I don't look cracked or whatever. Then y'all, I'm gonna use my only foundation, my Milani 2-in-1. It's in the color 09 Tan. Once again, I broke the pump, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. And just put it all over my face like that. Oh, sometimes I feel like this color looks dark like on camera, but it's really not. Now that we blended it, we're gonna take our Shape Tape. This is in the color Medium Sand Tan. Could never put the right angle, the right amount, and never put it on my nose properly. My little sister the other day said this looks like a heart when I do it, so now I'm gonna make it a heart when I do it. Alright, y'all. Now we finna blend. Just gonna blend that out, y'all. And in all honesty, maybe I don't put this on right, but I'll be still feeling like you can see all my ugliness when I put this on. Like, I feel like it highlights me nice. Maybe I don't glob enough of it on, but I don't feel like it really gives me the coverage that I look for. Because I feel like I do have dark circles under my eyes. So sometimes I feel like, well, I don't even know if it's dark circles. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, you guys definitely can see. Here, I'll use the brush to point it out. Like right here on my face, I have like these lines under my eyes, and genuinely don't know like if it's that the foundation I'm using isn't what's it called? Not strong enough, but isn't full coverage enough. Don't know. I don't know. Then y'all, I'm taking this new product for me because I've never used it, the Airspun loose face powder, and we're gonna bake. Now y'all, while that's being done, I'm gonna take this Morphe contour palette. I'm gonna use these two, just kind of like that. We're just gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take my big fan brush with my MAC Gold Deposit bronzer. I'm taking a lot of this. We're almost done, y'all. Now I'm gonna take my Precious Petals highlighter. As y'all can see, love this highlighter. We're going to spray the highlighter. So y'all, I'm going to be using two different mascaras. I'm going to be using this one by MUA Professional Makeup Academy. Looks like this. And then I'm going to be using my Roller Benefit. So I'm going to be using this one for the bottom and this one for the top. Alright, y'all. Now the only thing left is these babies. I'm going to be using this lip glossy gloss from MUA Makeup Academy, and it's in the color 109 Blush. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, comment down below. Let me know that you enjoyed it. Let me know, like, yes sis, your everyday makeup? Yes sis. Like, I appreciate every comment, every subscriber. I love all of you guys, so thank you so much for supporting my channel. And don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.